use that continuous speed for?
Well, we're not using it now, but what this is our DAC spot system. So
Okay. Does that come with the machine?
it's not standard with the machine.
It's not standard.
Yeah, we're not using it because this material that we're selling right now is not perforated.
Okay.
But sometimes you have a custom perforation, and the challenge with that is when you sew, the leather has a tendency to shrink a little bit on here after you sew. So if you're combining sewing and perforation in the program, sometimes the sewing could deviate a little bit from the perforation. It's not accurate anymore. So what the camera does is takes a picture of the sewing, and realigns the PLC so that the perforation.
And we could do more designs in here, right?
Sure. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. How many designs comes with the machine?
So with the machine, there's actually no designs that come with
It could be broken.
Absolutely, yeah. Hundreds of designs.
And what kind of the threads we use?
Up to 210.
Yeah. How thick is the material?
The thickness is going to depend from material to material. With CNC, you have to also consider the density of the material as well. So, really that's something we want to test. But if you're having foam that is half inch, you won't have any. Also, the foot and the foot stroke and pressure are both programmable. So is the tension here. So everything is electronic. So if you have a very thick material that you're running, and you have to adjust that tension accordingly, and then you switch back to your thin materials, the tension is going to be saved in the program. So you don't need to readjust that.
Very nice. Okay, you guys, again, if you guys are interested, log into our website, jacksew.com, or call us 727-335-3434. Thank you so much.